Paradise Lost Book 10. The scene opens in heaven, where the God and angels learned about Adam and Eve's disastrous action of eating the forbidden fruit. All angels feel bad for the entry of Satan, in spite of their security. But God admits that it was He who did not control Adam, Eve and Satan because of their free will. Judgment of Son. God sends His Son to paradise. The Son has offered to sacrifice Himself on mankind's behalf for the sins of Adam and Eve, and He travels to the Garden of Eden to find them. Son calls the hiding Adam and Eve. Being shamed of nakedness, they come in front of the Son and admits eating the forbidden fruit. The Son points out that Adam placed Eve above God, obeying his wife rather than divine command. Eve in turn blames the serpent for tempting her. Punishments given by Son. The Son condemns the serpent to always slither on the ground and not walk upright. Adam and all his descendants are punished by having to suffer for their food. Eve, all her descendants will be forced to suffer pain in childbirth, and as a lesson for not listening to Adam, will be forced to submit to their husbands. In hell, Satan is greeted by his children, sin and death, who have built a bridge from hell to earth in anticipation of the fall and its possibility for corruption. Satan sends them to earth to introducing the concepts of sin and death to man. Satan returns to hell and announces to his followers about his success. Before his followers appreciated, they turn into snakes along with Satan as punishment from the Son. God changes the new world as weather less pleasant and creating discord among animals and man. Adam and Eve is upset. They don't understand why their descendants must be punished as well. They argue and they both ask God to forgive them.